Sets are collections of unique elements, crucial in data structures. They automatically eliminate duplicates, ensuring each element is distinct. Sets are unordered, meaning 1, 2, 3 is the same as 3, 2, 1. This makes them ideal for operations where element presence is key, such as database management and search algorithms. A set is a collection of distinct elements, ensuring no duplicates. Unlike lists, sets prioritize element presence over order, making open brace 1, 2, 3 close brace identical to open brace 3, 2, 1 close brace. Sets are crucial in mathematics and computer science, underpinning database operations, search algorithms, and data deduplication. Sets are crucial in programming for managing unique data like user IDs or email addresses. They offer fast membership tests, checking element existence in O1 time, much quicker than lists. Sets automatically deduplicate, removing duplicates without manual effort, and underpin advanced data structures and algorithms, enhancing efficiency in complex operations. Sets inherently prevent duplicates, ensuring each element is unique. For instance, adding 2 to set 1, 2 results in 1, 2, as duplicates are ignored. This feature enhances data integrity by reducing redundancy and preventing inconsistencies, simplifying code by eliminating the need for manual duplicate checks. Venn diagrams visually demonstrate how sets consist of unique elements. They illustrate overlaps where sets share common elements and highlight distinct areas where elements remain exclusive to each set. This visualization aids in comprehending set relationships and the concept of uniqueness within sets. Core set operations include union, intersection, and difference. Union combines all unique elements from both sets. Intersection identifies common elements shared by both sets. Difference extracts elements present in one set but not the other, allowing precise data filtering. These operations form the foundation of set algebra, enabling powerful data manipulation. The union operation, denoted as A*B, merges all elements from sets A and B, ensuring no duplicates. For instance, if A equals open brace 1, 2, 3 close brace, and B equals open brace 3, 4, 5 close brace, then A*B results in open brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close brace. This is ideal for consolidating user lists across platforms, like email subscribers or social media followers. In this Venn diagram, the shaded area illustrates the union of sets A and B, encompassing all elements from both sets. The overlapping region, where elements are common to both sets, is included only once, highlighting the comprehensive nature of the union operation. Intersection operation identifies elements present in both sets A and B. For example, if A equals 1, 2, 3, and B equals 2, 3, 4, then A plus B equals 2, 3. This operation is crucial in finding shared interests, common data points, and matching skills in various applications. Visualizing the intersection of sets A and B involves highlighting the overlapping region where both sets share common elements. This area, A plus B, only includes members present in both sets, effectively illustrating shared characteristics or data points. The difference operation, A minus B, identifies elements in set A that are not in set B, effectively removing B's elements from A. For instance, with A equals open brace 1, 2, 3 close brace, and B equals open brace 2, 4 close brace, A minus B results in open brace 1, 3 close brace. This operation is crucial in filtering tasks, managing access permissions, and cleaning data by excluding unwanted entries. Visualizing the difference operation, the highlighted area represents A minus B, showing elements unique to set A. Overlapping regions, where elements are common to both sets, are excluded. This visual aid helps in understanding how elements are filtered out, emphasizing the uniqueness of A's elements not shared with B. Disjoint sets have no common elements, resulting in an empty intersection. For example, A equals open brace 1, 2 close brace, and B equals open brace 3, 4 close brace are disjoint. The symmetric difference, A dot B, includes elements in either set but not both. For instance, A equals open brace 1, 2, 3 close brace, and B equals open brace 2, 3, 4 close brace yield A cross B equals open brace 1, 4 close brace. In Python, sets are created using curly braces or the set function. For union, use the vertical bar operator. For intersection, use ampersand. And for difference, use dash. Sets automatically ensure uniqueness and offer O1 average lookup time, making them efficient for membership testing and duplicate removal. Adding duplicates doesn't change the set.